Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report a video on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then, open the video you think is problematic. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Report. And here you have to choose the reason why you think the video is problematic, whether it has an inappropriate audio or visuals, or if there's another reason. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!